Hello and welcome to the topic Principles of Language Teaching. We have 8 principles of language teaching: a speech before writing, basic sentences, patterns as habits, sound system for use, vocabulary control, graded patterns, language practice versus translation, authentic language standards. We move on to the next. Principle 1: a speech before writing. Teach listening and speaking first, reading and writing next. Principle 2: basic sentences. Have the students memorize basic conversational sentences as accurately as possible. Principle 3: patterns as habits. Establish the patterns as habits through pattern practice. Principle 4: sound system for use. Teach the sound system structurally for use by demonstration, imitation, and practice. Principle 5: vocabulary control. Keep the vocabulary load to a minimum while the students are mastering the sound system and the grammatical patterns. Principle 6: graded patterns. Teach the patterns gradually in cumulative graded patterns. Principle 7: language practice versus translation. Translation is not a substitute for language practice. Principle 8: authentic language standards. Teach the language as it is, not as it ought to be. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.